Hey there, health warriors. Get ready to dive into an eye-opening journey about the unsung heroes of your body, your kidneys. Ever puzzled over how your daily munch affects these vital bean-shaped lifesavers? Well, you've struck gold because today's episode is all about kidney health. Our kidneys are the silent powerhouses tirelessly purifying our blood, balancing minerals, and managing body fluids. Yet, they're vulnerable. Yes, you heard it right. Our dietary choices can either be their best friend or their worst enemy. And with a shocking 30 million folks battling chronic kidney disease in the US alone, it's high time we pay attention to what's on our plate. Today, we're zooming in on the top 9 kidney risk foods that might be lurking right under your nose, deceptively common yet potentially harmful if overindulged. But hold on, it's not all doom and gloom. For each no-no food, we'll unveil a kidney-friendly alternative that promises flavor without the fallout. Stay tuned as we unpack these culinary culprits and their healthier swaps. By the end of this video, you'll be loaded with savvy insights to protect your kidney health without skimping on taste. Knowledge is your superpower, and we're here to boost it. Let's get started and transform the way you think about food in your kidneys. 1. Spinach. You might be surprised to learn that the very spinach Popeye relied on for strength could pose potential issues for individuals with kidney disease. The main concern here is oxalates, a naturally occurring compound found in various foods. Remarkably, about 80% of kidney stones are composed of calcium oxalate. For those who've experienced kidney stones, it's wise to limit daily oxalate intake to around 40 to 50 milligrams. Be cautious with your spinach consumption, as a single serving can contain roughly 100 milligrams of oxalates. Additionally, spinach is known for its notable potassium content. The potassium levels in uncooked spinach can range from 136 to 290 milligrams per cup. It's important to note that while leafy vegetables lose some volume during cooking, their potassium content remains largely intact. When spinach is cooked, its volume significantly decreases, but the concentration of potassium in half a cup of cooked spinach ends up being much higher than that in the same amount of raw spinach. This highlights the importance of considering both oxalate and potassium content when incorporating spinach into your diet, especially if you're managing kidney health. 2. Pickles. Pickle jars have become a staple in many households, but before you dive into an all-pickle diet, it's worth considering your kidney health. This time, let's focus on sodium instead of potassium. The recommended daily salt intake for a healthy adult is between 1,500 to 2,300 mg. Have you ever wondered how much sodium is packed into a single pickle? Nearly 1,200 milligrams. That's a whopping 80% of your recommended daily allowance in just one pickle. Foods that undergo curing or pickling, such as pickles, processed olives, and relish, tend to receive a generous application of salt during the preservation process. This heightened sodium content can lead to various health issues, including high blood pressure and kidney stones. With these risks in mind, it's advisable to exercise caution with the pickle jar and perhaps explore other dietary options. 3. Potatoes and sweet potatoes. Both regular potatoes and sweet potatoes, while popular and nutritious, pose unique challenges for individuals prioritizing kidney health. Regular potatoes contain a relatively high amount of potassium, with a medium-sized baked potato delivering around 610 milligrams. Similarly, sweet potatoes, known for their rich flavor and health benefits, also pack a substantial potassium punch, offering roughly 542 milligrams in a similar serving. However, there's a practical solution to make these tubers more kidney-friendly, a process known as leaching or soaking. Research has shown that cooking potatoes, especially when submerged in cold water, can effectively reduce their potassium content. By soaking potatoes for just 5 to 10 minutes, you can achieve a potassium reduction of up to 20%, a technique often referred to as the double cook method. Even with these potassium-lowering methods in place, it's crucial to exercise caution and moderation. Despite your best efforts, both regular and sweet potatoes will still retain some level of potassium, albeit at a diminished concentration. Therefore, meticulous monitoring of your potato consumption remains paramount, especially if you're closely managing your potassium intake due to kidney health concerns. 4. Tomatoes. Tomatoes, with their vibrant color and robust flavor, are a versatile ingredient that enhances various dishes. Whether consumed fresh in salads, slow-cooked in stews, or transformed into a luscious sauce, tomatoes have earned their place in the kitchen. However, the concern arises from their high potassium content. To put this into perspective, just 1 cup of tomato sauce can contain as much as 728 milligrams of potassium. This amount can significantly impact your daily potassium intake, which needs to be carefully managed when dealing with kidney issues. The good news is that while tomatoes are a common ingredient in many cuisines, there are delightful alternatives to explore. Your choice of a low potassium option may ultimately come down to your personal taste preferences. For instance, roasted red pepper sauce can serve as an excellent substitute. It offers a similarly rich and savory flavor profile, making it a delectable choice for pasta, pizzas, and a range of dishes. Furthermore, it boasts the advantage of being lower in calories compared to traditional tomato sauce. So, next time you're in the kitchen, consider giving roasted red pepper sauce a try for a kidney-friendly alternative that doesn't compromise on flavor. 5. Apricots. Apricots, with their enticing taste and wealth of essential nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, and copper, are undoubtedly a nutritious addition to any diet. However, for individuals prioritizing kidney health, particularly those concerned about potassium levels, apricots present a challenge. A cup of fresh, sliced apricots contains around 427 milligrams of potassium. While potassium is essential for bodily functions, it can be problematic in excess for those with compromised kidney function. This concern is even more pronounced with dried apricots, where the potassium concentration is significantly higher, reaching up to 1.5 grams per ounce. Consequently, individuals on a renal diet, striving to maintain their potassium intake within a recommended daily limit of 2,000 milligrams, are advised to exercise caution with apricots, especially in their dried form. It may be prudent to limit or avoid them altogether to ensure potassium levels stay within the safe range. 7. Avocado. Avocado, while hailed for its myriad health benefits, requires special consideration for individuals dealing with kidney issues. This creamy fruit, rich in monounsaturated fats and a wealth of nutrients, can pose challenges for those with compromised kidney function. The primary concern with avocados lies in their potassium content. For someone with healthy kidneys, the body efficiently regulates and excretes excess potassium. However, in individuals with kidney disease, this process can be impaired. Elevated levels of potassium in the blood, known as hyperkalemia, can have serious consequences, including heart rhythm abnormalities. A standard avocado contains approximately 700 milligrams of potassium, which is a significant portion of the recommended daily intake for individuals with kidney concerns. This is why it's advised to exercise caution when incorporating avocados into your diet if you're navigating kidney issues. That said, it's not necessarily a matter of completely eliminating avocados from your diet. Instead, moderation and portion control are key. One approach is to enjoy only a quarter of an avocado at a time, which significantly reduces the potassium load while still allowing you to benefit from its valuable nutrients. 8. Bananas. Bananas are renowned for their rich potassium content. In fact, a single banana contains approximately 422 milligrams of potassium. While this is generally considered healthy for those with normal kidney function, it presents a challenge for individuals with chronic kidney disease. The kidneys play a crucial role in regulating potassium levels in the body. When kidney function is compromised, as is the case in chronic kidney disease, the body's ability to excrete excess potassium is diminished. This can lead to an accumulation of potassium in the blood, a condition known as hyperkalemia. Due to their low calorie count and delightful flavor, people often consume multiple bananas at once. However, for those managing kidney disease, adhering to a daily potassium range of 1,500 to 2,700 milligrams is vital. Consuming just one banana can account for a significant portion of this recommended daily intake, ranging from 15 to 28%. If bananas have been a staple in your diet, but you've been advised to limit potassium, finding suitable alternatives may become a priority. While many tropical fruits share the same high potassium characteristic, there are options that are more kidney-friendly. Pineapples, a standout choice in the realm of tropical fruits. Compared to their potassium-rich counterparts, pineapples offer a substantially lower potassium content. This makes them an excellent option for individuals with kidney disease seeking to strike a balance between taste and kidney health. 9. Whole wheat bread. Individuals with kidney conditions often find it challenging to navigate the bread aisle, unsure which type of bread is best suited for their health needs. In recent times, there's a prevailing belief that any bread is a healthier choice than plain white bread. Whole wheat bread, in particular, stands out as a contender, brimming with essential vitamins, minerals, and a higher fiber content, suggesting potential health benefits. However, it's worth noting that when it comes to kidney disease, the preference often leans towards white bread. This preference arises from the elevated levels of phosphorus and potassium found in whole wheat bread, a characteristic linked to the bran and whole grains present. To put it into perspective, a single slice of whole wheat bread can contain around 75 milligrams of phosphorus and 69 milligrams of potassium. If you're crafting a sandwich, that's a cumulative intake of 150 milligrams of phosphorus and 138 milligrams of potassium, and we haven't even added the filling yet. In contrast, a regular slice of white bread carries approximately 29 milligrams of both phosphorus and potassium. This distinction highlights the importance of considering bread choices carefully, especially for those managing kidney health. It's advisable to opt for white bread to help regulate phosphorus and potassium intake, aligning with dietary restrictions necessitated by kidney disease. These 9 foods we've explored today: avocado, bananas, tomatoes, potatoes and sweet potatoes, spinach, apricots, pickles, oranges, and certain types of bread can have a significant impact on your kidney function. For those with kidney concerns, whether related to potassium, phosphorus, oxalates, or other factors, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to create a personalized dietary plan that supports your specific needs and safeguards your kidney health. Remember, making informed food choices can make a world of difference in preserving the well-being of your kidneys, and ultimately your overall health. Thank you for joining us today, and we wish you all the best on your journey toward a healthier life.